morEwish and
the easy
DIY time. Hello, today I'm showing you how to do this DIY onesie cupcakes. I did these little cuties for my friend. She had her baby shower. I think it's a brilliant idea to give clothes in a very different way. I give her with some goodies. So let's go and then I'll show you how I did this. So this is all the stuff which we need for these cupcakes. I have these onesies, bodysuit, some cupcake liners. Then I have these socks, some random colored pair of socks. Then I have these cupcake carry box. I opened up all the bodysuits onesies and put all of its packing underneath the box. And I picked up these bodysuits onesie in neutral color because we were not sure about the gender of the baby, and they are like 3 to 6 months old for the 3 to 6 months old baby. Okay, to start with, we need a sock and one piece of the bodysuit. Just bring one side towards the middle and then the other side, and try to press the sides to make a clean crease. And then fold one more time and connect both of the sides. Again, press and make it a clean crease. Press firmly so it doesn't open like it's opening right now. And then we take a sock, start folding from the heel and make a pointy from the toe side. It will look like a cherry on the top of that cupcake. And then put it one end of the folded bodysuit and start rolling down. Make sure you roll it tightly. Sorry, I was doing it with one hand because I was holding the camera in my other hand. So just do it with both your hands, press it tightly and then roll till the end. And then that's it. This will started looking like a cupcake. Now take a hanging off the sock and turn it towards the onesie so it will look like a cupcake liner. There you go. And then just adjust the layers of the onesie so it will look like a different layers of frosting, like a dome of a frosting. And then take a cupcake liner and put your onesie cupcake in this liner. You can take bigger muffin liner as well to adjust in your onesie. And then that's it. Just put it in the cupcake carrier box. As you can see, I already made 2 before. Again, adjusted the creases, make it like a frosting, and then that's it. Now you can do random colors socks, you can do same color socks. The possibilities are endless. So this is it. For the decoration, I just got a little ducky cutout from one of my kids' toy box. So I just cut that and put it in the empty place to make it look like a card. And then I gave her with some goodies as well, and then some healthy Indian Pakistani desi snack which is called Panjiri for her after delivery recovery. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time, and thank you so much for watching.